So let's go on. So now this relationship between us and our elders, we and our elders also get trust. Just the way inside our houses, we must get trust between parents. We must believe, say, the parents are doing the best for their children. Now, so society is based. That's why society is based on that kind of trust. Say government like the parents, we the citizens are the children, the government is doing what is necessary for we the children. You know that standard kind of thing. So the system is based on that. Now everything when they happen within our system, they based on this fact, they based on this trust. Trust of sitting the Instagram no studies their wahala today because my network is bad. Okay, so now let's start with educational system. When I yab Awolowo for one speech where I give, they post the speech. Many people they vex say I yab Awolowo for the speech. Say Awolowo na just for empower, but not true. If you read the man moves, they say person will give free education. First of all, nobody give us anything. African people, let me tell you, nobody gives you anything. Let me repeat, Awolowo no na him pay, na him money take do am. If it is money, why do they say Awolowo give us free education? We give ourselves free education through our government. Our government is our own. Awolowo now we vote for and put for the government, making them do wetin in need to do to give education na the basic work of government. Now, what you go ask say, which kind of education? Education where they tell us say, na Mungo Park, discover River Niger. See, when we, now the kind of thing they teach for the school, now it matter. Not be say they create the system and build the schools. Waiting them begin teach us inside the school. You know the son? Waiting them teach us inside the school. This is what matters, basically. It's not about them building the edifice or all this building they build everywhere. So anyway, we can go back to what they talk. So we must believe, say, our educational system, which now we as young people, our first interaction with society outside of the family unit is that of education. You understand? It's that of education. So education, now our first encounter with the system. Education, now where we're supposed to trust our teacher, say that they teach us what is right. Non-biased. The teacher must not be biased towards the student. Okay, even though this student not the year what this student they give, the teacher must not be biased. Do you feel what I'm saying? But who want them to say for this Nigeria, you know, go through biased education? Say what teacher just like you because maybe you know the year word to them. Maybe because you just do your own. Me, many teachers don't like me because I be fella picking for school. So what's my eyes see, eh? Cha! Cha! Chai! What's my eyes see? So anyway, breaking it down further, you know, understanding the system means say, make we know they believe waiting they say the institution they do. Watching them say the institution they do. Our education is supposed to educate us. You understand? But the educational system is siding with more with indoctrination than education. They side more with indoctrination than education. So you see the trust between us and the institutions is completely broken. I always tell people, even if you go for bank, even in our banking system, in all the institutions, in our relations with security forces, our defense, our institutions of war, our institutions of defense, where we citizens create to protect us, wetin we dey get there in return? Fashola announced housing yesterday. Say government get 5,000 units of housing to sell to us. 1-bedroom apartment for this our federal government building for the people, for we the people. Federal government, 1-bedroom apartment is going for 7.3 million. Minimum wage is 30,000. Exactly, thank you. Many states never even agree to pay this 30,000 minimum wage. In fact, for inside the state where they don't agree to pay this minimum wage, many businesses are still paying people 20,000, 25,000, 23,000, 14,000. People they earn 15,000 for inside this Lagos. So now let's do the mathematics. 30 times 12. In a year, the minimum wage earner makes 360,000. In a year, the minimum wage earner makes 360,000. 1-bedroom flat is 7.4 million. Let us work out. Even though he no chop. So now he no chop, he no bath, he no enter transport, he no watch TV, he no go club, he no drink beer, he no do anything for his life, he no pay children's school fees, he no send him wife, he no do anything. He take all his salary, they pay for this house. Let us see how long it will take him to pay 7.4 million naira. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Minister of Housing, our brilliant and fascinating, a lawyer, a barrister of high repute, intellectual. We create us, so let's see, after he doing, because I'm not saying go calculate am, he no be mugu. He must calculate all these things, times divided by 360,000. 20.5 years. It'll take the guy 20.5 years to pay for this 1-bedroom apartment. 1 bedroom, oh. 20.5 years. To pay for 1-bedroom apartment. Yes. So there we go. But we not say he must chop. He must enter transport. So when I'm telling you about demystifying the system, this is not what I mean. So how does somebody that is earning minimum wage ever look to earn that apartment? He must become a criminal. He must become a criminal. He must begin to rob that business where in the work inside. This is how they perpetuate the system.